Hey there everybody, Owen here, Senior Product Marketer at Similarweb, and welcome to our spring update on all of the digital marketing enhancements we've launched so far in 2023. In this update, we're excited to be showing some of the following: new functionality available in our keyword list features, more mobile data availability, increased dashboard functionality, improved app analysis insights, a new South Korea country filter, and an all-new navigation sidebar experience. It's certainly been a busy few months, so let's dive right in and get you up to speed with all these new updates. Then you can begin using them for yourself. First, we'll kick off with our new keyword list improvements. We've made it even easier to analyze the performance of keyword topics through your keyword lists, with the addition of a search volume over time graph. This gives you a macro view of an entire topic list and how its aggregated search volume performs historically. Then you can get into detailed micro-level insights for every individual keyword in your topic list to understand granular keyword performance. We know every SEO manager needs to keep tabs on their keyword lists. Keeping them in good shape and relevant is always a big task, but super necessary to ensure your organic search strategy is firing on all cylinders. Now you can save time on your keyword research whilst further expanding your topics of interest and keeping your keyword lists punchy with the new automated keyword suggestions function. This helps ensure your keyword lists stay relevant and fresh based on buzzing, high-intent topics you're building awesome content around. We've also made it much easier to add and remove keywords from your lists, so you can manage them on the fly. Furthermore, we've given the metrics available in the keyword list table a bit of a power boost by including zero-click, keyword intent, and keyword difficulty metrics, so you have the best insight available to optimize your keyword campaigns. Next up, mobile insights. A key piece of the marketing and research puzzle for a lot of our users is understanding what happens online across mobile. So ramping up the mobile device insight we can provide is a huge priority for us. Good news is that in recent months, we've been able to activate mobile data for some of our core features. Mobile data for our paid search analysis tools help you really dive into your competitors' paid search tactics and budgets for mobile. For our geography tool, it makes it easier to see which countries are generating the most mobile traffic for any website. And for our market analysis tools, Unique Visitors gives you a true sense of the size of your market by including mobile visits too. All of the metrics and insights available on these features can now be analysed across desktop, mobile, as well as the combined all traffic view, giving you a complete picture of where traffic is coming from and on what devices. Next up is dashboard updates. We know how much our users value the customization this tool offers, housing all the real-time competitive digital insights relevant to your business. We've got 2 fresh releases for dashboards. First, we've enabled the ability to pin the all traffic and mobile web view of the channel overview and channel traffic insights from the marketing channels feature to your dashboards. Second, we've given our paid search performance dashboard templates a big boost with some new widgets. So we now include total PPC spend widget, mobile paid traffic widget, and total paid traffic mobile and desktop widgets. So you can now get monthly updates on all mobile and all device paid search traffic, as well as total PPC spend across your competitor sets. And don't forget, you can share your dashboards with your team, whether they're a user of Similarweb or not. Not only have we been working on our mobile data capabilities, we've been putting in some graft, making our app data and insight way more robust as well. We've added affinity quadrant analysis to the app audience interest page. What's an affinity quadrant graph, you ask? Let me tell you. An affinity quadrant graph is going to help you spot relevant competitors that are sharing your audience, learn from other apps that your audience are using to enrich your own offering, even identify potential partnership opportunities for your own app. We've also added way more historical data to our top apps feature in App Intelligence. And alongside that, there's also a new trends over time graph, so you'll be able to track an industry vertical and uncover any significant historical trends for apps in a particular market. One highly requested update which we're really happy to launch is our new South Korea country data. You can now find the Republic of Korea in the country drop-down menu across our most popular features and modules, and it will include up to 24 months of historical data as well. And lastly, if you haven't noticed already, we've made some simple but stylish changes to the navigation sidebar and platform menu, helping you get to those all-important insights and the other features available in your package quick. And that's a wrap for today. We hope you enjoyed this update, and we'll be bringing another to you later in the year. So we'll see you then, and thanks for watching.